guys, my name is Eva and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to talk about how to stay calm and improve your self-control as a parent or as an early years teacher or a teacher in general. In the last episode in how to stay calm and improve your self-control, I already give you some tips. So if you haven't watched that video, please go to that video. In this video I would like to give you more hands-on tips. In the previous one I give you tips already, but these tips now, these are coming from my experience, but also they are more hands-on that you can try to do it basically now. So let's get it started. So number one, when you close your eyes, you just give yourself a few seconds break, and it really just takes you to a calmer place. So if something, for example, your child's got a tantrum, just close your eyes for a second, for a moment really, take a deep breath, and that few seconds will help you to calm down. Number two, distraction. Honestly, it's an amazing thing, and not only for your kids but for yourself as well. Just find something to distract yourself for a few seconds. Look away, think to yourself. Actually, you can even say your thoughts out loud, what you're going to do now, how you're going to approach the situation. Obviously, if you think that you must act on the situation right now, you must do something, then go. Obviously, don't wait for a few seconds. Number three, which is kind of like a distraction, it's basically when your child did something that made you so frustrated and angry. Just wait and think for a second why you love your child. Like, think about good things about your child. That makes a difference too. Number four, remove yourself from the situation. It's not only about physically removing yourself from the situation, but mentally as well. If you can, don't leave your child alone where you cannot see what he or she is doing. Don't leave your child in danger. Obviously, safety first. So for example, you are with friends, your child has a tantrum, or your child I don't know, did something that it annoys you, but not like something, for example, if your child hits another one, obviously act on it immediately. It depends on the situation. If you think that you can step away from that, then do that. So step away from it, go out to a different room, or just turn around, run or go back, and then deal with the situation. It will make such a difference. Number five. You can ask this question, which will help you reflect on your actions and thoughts and what you're going to do next. I was talking about it briefly in the last episode, so go and check that out. So ask this question, for example, why did I get so angry? What was pushing my button? Or do I really need to get angry? What if I don't react to it at all? Sometimes I felt as an early years teacher in the nursery that some of the days were just so hectic that I would just let some little things go, like for example bringing the mud in, or forgetting putting the indoor shoes back on, or forgetting to put the cup back to the tray, you know, like little things which are in a way important, but sometimes just think, for example, when you had a bad day, when you're having a bad day, when you have a horrible headache, when there are so many things to deal with, do you really need to act on, you know, those little things? Do they really need to bother you that day? And also you can ask, when you dealt with the situation and for example you didn't like yourself in the situation, how you dealt with it, then you can ask questions like, how can I handle a situation like this next time? What would I do next time differently, in a better way? how do I want to see myself next time in a situation like this? These questions are very helpful because then it makes you think, and then you will come up with better solutions maybe, because when you are in the heat of the moment, when you are in the situation, it's very hard to think sometimes. So when it happened, then you go away, I mean, like mentally or physically or both, and you start to think about it with a cool head. It means a lot. It makes such a big difference. Then you will have lots of ideas, great ideas, better ideas, what to do next time. So then you can write those down. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being with me, and hit the subscribe button down below. If you have other tips than what I just said or in the previous video, please let me know and leave them in the comment section below. I'm going to read them and I'm going to learn from them. Also, those tips are not only good for me but for others as well, so please help each other, guys. Inspire and motivate each other. Let's do that. Yes, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.